I'm going to look her in her face. I never look at you. Because the day when you lick me, I'm going to take out a lawsuit and I'm going to lock you up. I want money at 2026. I want money. At 2026, I want money. At 2026, I want money. Me not play Jackie Chan war with no boy. If a boy go so, me collect. If a boy lick me, or a girl lick me, I collect. Me a collect me money. Me a collect if I pay for my lawyer fee, my doctor fee, me a sue you. Don't do it have.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and can't see upon the screen. This series with Rosealee and AKEEM is no longer fun and games, you know, my people. The law is involved. It's a must. But before we get into that aspect of the video, I want to talk about some more serious things was trending in dancehall for a little bit. Because, you know, say, the thing with Donna said come up again today. Yes, you know, say, Maitland liar, Noel liar, Mr. Thompson is trying to insinuate that, you know, homegirl crossed the border on August 19th, 2023. People putting at the comment section what you think about that theory, because a lot of border crossers, I mean a lot of social media influencers from Jamaica has crossed the border. He said, man, say, because life in Jamaica just not sweet. He said, man, say, but I don't know if Donna fits that type of criteria, because girl looked like she was doing her thing. And I have no reason for run away from Jamaica because she there one bad man police and all of this stuff. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People don't get mad at, you know, Noel's lawyer because he's just doing his job trying to get his client off and, you know, have a good track record of, you know, victories and things. They're also trying to say the blood that was found on the couch, you know, came from Donna, obviously. But, you know, when she did that on her cycle, you see, man said, like, she just not have no pads with wings and them things, them. You know what I mean? A whole lot of theories being put out by defense. But as you know, it's evidence that really seals the deal. You see, man said, as you know, Noel baby moms, you know, fellow police officer, you know, she's no longer a suspect in this case. This said, as you know, a lot of people was trying to say that she did the dashing and I might take the charge. But I'm just giving them update what I want for that to go on. Donna Lee's mom hasn't commented on the situation yet. But I'm pretty sure she will. Now let's get to the bagger that's in here for. I'm not gonna lie, my people. One of your favorites, them is going to get locked up, you know. Or I should say several of them, you know. And before we really dissect into things, someone sent me this video of this lady saying that police did like go run up in them yard, you know. And we see what happened 24 hours later, you know. So let's take a quick listen to that and let me tell you what going on with the FBI and all of them things, you see me?
When AKEEM I go cut her off, and then maybe Jake's married, you not see nothing yet. You don't want to know if I tape it on the phone. Yesterday, AKEEM say enough is enough. I'm ready to cut off Rosealee. Vice note I go play. Everything I go release per media. All police I go in it. I'm sorry for AKEEM. Yesterday, AKEEM say him done. And this of him career done panda apps, yeah. In thinking see followers. Wait. The day when him say him better mind when make that woman they know about him say. You see the day when him say I got done, more car go up on me hard. You hear me? I mean no care me I tell you know what me say. The day when him decide say him done. When I go hear upon the apps, yeah. And I no cloud me a look. But I no pray for her. She no know love, pray for her. And the greatest love is in Jesus Christ. I no pray for her now. I no see nothing yet. When AKEEM
Okay, so boom, people, as you know, the way we did the download series of Dancehall, AKEEM and Figure It Out friends Snow and Nicholas did I use Figure It Out and AKEEM to wash, you know, the card, Mr. Marseille. And that's why I'm moving pan Rosealee to try to recruit people in the area. As you can see, Righteous and Nicholas in the DR are one of the most wanted man. Also in a scam and them thing that you see me. But as you can see now, the friend is saying, oh, you think AKEEM come about to make so much money or look so good? And I be man, I mind him from a long time. He said, man, I say, if you see AKEEM when he was a dancer from Portmore, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I know Shabbat is saying that. Mocha involved because they want to see all of the TikTok transactions and, you know, title and all type of things for all of these assets by being bought with the stolen money. And you see some people putting in the comment section where you think about that, because what I really hate for see your favorites them get locked up, you know. And that's why you see AKEEM over there say nice up Rosealee, because him don't want the police them, you know, to make her flip and snitch on the whole thing. But the way Rosealee now have no sense, no my people. Yeah, it look like she's willing to go down for AKEEM, you know. You see, man, I say, come for find out, say, she lend 800,000 to AKEEM for give Fia mother. And no, Fia mother want to do some things on TikTok for make some money, but she said no, because them are going to have them own. And she don't want them too independent like Jakes, you know. They say, man, I say, so right now, AKEEM spoil up her head and things again. So that's why you say she that cut some things in the beginning. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on, because she's really giving it to Jake's too again, you know. Right? So them trying to distract Uno from the fraud squad. You see me?
Why you not change your TikTok name? I want you to like say AKEEM wife. You know like say me with AKEEM wife. Me not treat a blood clad whether if you want me or not. And me only not discuss that because you come here broke. When I want the Lulu for Lulu and Malu, me I will argument with you. But so me not change it. Whether if him want me or not. Me do what me please. Remember 95% of you feel like so you can't come program, you know. You can't program that girl here. Nobody programs Rosa Blood Clatly. Nobody. Boy, not give me that chat, me not have no slave, me not have no owner. Nobody no program me. Me change this what me feel like. And I let the boy mash up today, and I still want to represent as him wife, as my blood clad should. Make me want live in a delusional land. Me don't want a girl, me can't, me don't want. I want to have someone. Hold on, them, I got a gravy. Come in and talk from the other day to my mouth, you know. Like me not talk from my out to my blood clot mouth. Me don't want a girl follow me go down at the delusional door. Me don't want a girl follow me go down at the delusional door. Where? Long at the delusional path. Me don't want a girl follow me go down there. Me don't want a girl follow me go down at the delusional path. Me don't want a girl carry me in the room. In the delusional room, me don't want to bother hold my hand and carry me in there either. I want a girl when I pull the door and go in myself. Because someone a big hole over here. Feel like someone a big hole over here. I don't know, open the door and push me in there. Me don't want a girl open the door and push me in the Lulu. I want to go in my blood clad self. Whether or not, me not change my blood clot name. Whether or not, me want the boy whether or not. Me don't want to help me go in there. Me the Lulu, yeah. When me ready, I will never question me a pussy clad. Me don't want nobody question me. Me and Mrs. Anthony don't question me. Also no over blood clot, yeah. And I come talk about me want that individual, whatever I call fear name. And the dirty girl, they on her vacation and she not stop follow me up. But on the FYPs a while ago, I see your stinking girl I'm going to look her in her face. I never look at you. Because the day when you lick me, I'm going to take out a lawsuit and I'm going to lock you up. I want money at 2026. I want money. At 2026, I want money. At 2026, I want money. Me not play Jackie Chan with no boy. If a boy got some, me collect. If a boy lick me, or a girl lick me, I collect. Me a collect me money. Me a collect if I pay for my lawyer fee, my doctor fee, me a sue you. Don't do you not have. So Natty not going to come back. Natty not going to take back the house, the black for the house. Me I gonna make sure say the house not finish. Cause me gonna sue you for everything in your blood clot TikTok man. Just come here, come hype up and lick me. Cause you attack and me attack. And you are use yours and me I use yours. So if my one attack, it's fine. But no boy not gonna lick me, I'm still lick. I mean I lick but no old tough boy neither. More how would you say? Yeah, at 2020 blood clot 6. So me not know. Me I not tough boy in an argument. Any boy will lick me, I sue them. Want money for spend. Yeah. Take the sue money by one night to go care for Shanchan and Bar.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. As me said, Jake's not there. They are there for a long time. And he shouldn't go back. Had the last set of man that got there. AKEEM and him crew. Me see man say. But if you want to hear more of that story and other things, go on my Boom Bye Bye news channel. That's where she bother. I talk of the things that me see. Because we're not going to long and do the longer run here. So they see me. Bless.